Hello, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Quest, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your clock. So first, to start the vehicle, and we'll wait a moment for everything to upload. So now that we're here, we're going to hit the settings button, and then with your scroll to clock and push enter. And then here you can adjust if you want it to display your clock, if you want it military time or 12 hours, which you can adjust this way. If it's daylight savings or not, right here. Your time zone, you can switch it here. I'm in mountain. And then if you need to go back, and then adjust clock here, and you can adjust the hours by pushing enter and scrolling. Same with the minutes. You just scroll down, enter, and that's it. And it just auto adjusts as you make all these changes. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.